Welcome back. If you want to enable the always on display feature on your Samsung Galaxy phone, the process is simple and only takes a few moments. This useful feature allows you to view important information such as the time, date, battery percentage, and notifications without fully waking up your device. To get started, open the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find Lock Screen and AOD. On some older Samsung models, this option may simply be labeled Lock Screen. Tap on it to continue. Next, locate and tap Always On Display. You will see a switch at the top of the screen. Turn this switch on to activate the feature. As soon as the toggle is enabled, Always On Display will be available on your device. After turning it on, Samsung gives you several customization options so you can choose how the feature works based on your preferences. You can select Tap to Show, which displays the Always On Display screen for a few seconds whenever you tap the screen while it is off. If you prefer constant visibility, choose Show Always, which keeps the Always On Display active whenever your phone is locked. Another option is the Show as Scheduled, allowing you to set specific times for the feature to be active. For example, you can have it enabled during the day and automatically turn off at night. You can also select Show for New Notifications, which displays the Always On Display screen only when new notifications arrive. Additionally, you can personalize the appearance by choosing different clock styles, colors, widgets, and display layouts depending on your Samsung device and software version. And that's all there is to it. With Always On Display enabled, you can quickly view the time, notifications, and other key information without unlocking your Samsung Galaxy phone. Enjoy the added convenience.